Alright, tubers, potato heads. What we have here, fairly new high efficiency XP15 that's got a bad reversing valve. I'll be up here close. You can probably hear the hissing. Anyway, that's what we're going to do today, is change this reversing valve. And a little close enough, you can see the sweaty line that goes into the reversing valve, the suction line, and the compressor. Not sweaty. When I checked the other day, it was about 12-degree rise from the suction line to the compressor suction. So we're losing a lot of efficiency in that valve. Alright, call me chicken. A cut, and a cut, and a cut. That leaves me one joint to unbraze. Put the new valve together with the cut pieces, and then one joint to braze on the valve. 3 are a cut. Alright, there it is out. Here's the new one. Just gotta transfer from one to the other. The little stubs. Right, there's one. I don't know if you can see, I've put little marks, scratch marks on these tubes. In the middle. With the reversing valve laying flat, I scratched the middle of the tube, so I know where to put them on the new one when I move them over. I'm not going to try and do this because of the sun. There's those torch tips for Fritz. And we go back over here. Got it in place. Got a joint here, a joint here, 1/2 inch there, and one in the back that still needs to be made. It beats having to do all 3 all at one time right together. That's why I hate reversing valves, but one of the reasons. Let me count the ways. Okay, I got the back one done. Felt kind of like that one guy, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Had to get a big head and little arms. I got over top of the thing, round in like this. I have a big head and little arms. But it's in. I just got this one and that one. And that's it. Maybe. And that's not it. All back together and running. Charged 4 degrees subcooling. Only 1 degree rise from the suction line to the other side of the reversing valve where it goes to the compressor. It's better than 15. And 16 pounds.